Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can edit videos for Instagram even without knowing anything about editing using CapCut. So if you want to create a static file with the Instagram videos but you have zero editing experience, no worries, I got you, because in this tutorial I'll walk you through how you can edit Instagram videos step by step, and it's perfect for real stories and IG feed posts. So in here I'm going to use CapCut. First, you can just open your CapCut applications and then add your videos to the timeline just like this. And for the basic, I'm going to show you how you can trim and cut clips. So if you want to trim, you can just click on the clips on the timeline in here. Let's say you want to trim the end, you can just drag the edge or the end of the video to the left just like this, and as you guys can see, your videos will automatically trimmed. And if you want to cut clips, you can just go to the part where you want to cut, click on the video, and here you'll see the split options. Tap on that, and then you can just delete the parts that you don't need. And if you want to have smooth transitions or standing effects, here to add transition, you can just click on this white box in between the clips, and you'll see lots of transition options from CapCut. You can just choose which one to fit your videos. Let's say here I'm going to add this black fade transition. Click on it and adjust the duration. After that, if you want apply it to all of your clips, you can just tap on apply to all, and the transition will be added. And as you guys can see here, I've already add effects to my clip. There are shake effects and other things, and if you want to add video effects to your clips, you can just go to the part where you want to add the effects, click on the video effects in here. So for the beginning, I'm going to go to the opening and closing category. Let's say here I'm going to go with this fade in. You can just click on the effects, and here if you want to adjust the speed, you can just click on the effects again to go to the adjust, and here click on the check icon, and you can adjust also the duration by swiping it to the left or right just like this. And this is the fade in effects on my clips. And next, I'm going to also show you how you can include tags, music, or filters. So to add tags, you can see you can just click on a tags option in here and click on add tags if you want to add tags from scratch. And if you want to add captions to your videos, you can also use the auto caption feature to make it easier for you. So CapCut will automatically detect the captions. And to add music, you can go to the audio options, and here you can extract from another videos. You can go with the use CapCut sounds or a certain sound effects, or you can also record your own voice. If you link your CapCut to TikTok, you can also extract sound from TikTok. And to add filter, you can just swipe until you see the filter options, and here you'll see lots of filter that you can add to your videos. You can just choose which one to apply, click on it, and just tap on the check icon after that. And to export, you can here click on export at the top right corner, but you can also choose the resolution and frame rate first before exporting by clicking on this option. And here, this is the best options that you can select it, and after that you can just tap on export, and you can upload it to your reel, stories, or posts. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.